Hey loves, welcome back to my channel.
Don't mind the rooster. It's like right there next to my room.
I haven't done this video or any video like this about 4 years already. So pretty much I'm just going to talk to you guys about my hair. This is my natural hair. It's semi-straight, semi-wavy, and like frizzy, and yeah. So I just want to show you this, like talk to you guys about my hair, because I had questions in the past of how do I keep my hair so healthy, what I do, like like it looks so nice, but my hair is not healthy. I'm sure like no one's hair is healthy unless you shave it off and like you grow it from scratch, and babies of course. But my hair's not healthy at all. I do have split ends. Last time I cut my hair was 2 years ago already. No, a year ago. So this is how long my hair is. It's like sitting down is like literally like by my hip. Like the very, very end is by my hip. I do have like hair loss. I do like, you know, typical shedding and stuff. But also when I don't do anything to my hair, I always keep it on a bun. So it's always on a bun. I go to sleep on a bun. I wake up with a bun. And I don't really like brush it or anything like that. And yes, I know that's not good, but I don't really brush it, and like, yeah, I run my fingers through it, but when I take a shower, like my hair like falls like a lot, but that's because of all the shedding throughout the days that I didn't really do anything to it. So yeah. Another thing about my hair is I don't really have layers in it anymore. Like you could barely even see them. Like I said, like normally when I get a haircut, I get 3 layers and it's like on a V shape. But now, like since it grown out already, like it's only like the long, like it's still like semi V, but it's just like very long layers. So it's like kind of uneven now. I do need to get a haircut. Here are my bangs. Like there's one, and then here's another one right here. So yeah, and I normally part my hair like on the middle of my head, and sometimes I just like put it to the side, so my hair doesn't really have a part, if you know what I mean. Like I just like put it to the side, I put it like in the middle or anything like that. So now let's just talk about the products I've used in the past to make my hair grow fast. If you guys did follow my hair growth journey videos that I have here on my YouTube channel, I made the mistake of going to a new place to get a haircut. I told them to cut the dead, like pretty much it was like only like a little bit. They freaking end up cutting my hair up to here, so they cut like literally this much. I was pissed. I was really pissed. But obviously at that time I didn't like know how to like talk back, tell them my thoughts and all of that. So I just let it be. But I was like really upset. If I could find a picture, I'll insert it here if I could find it. So yeah, I'm really upset. So I started doing my research and all to make my hair grow fast. And yeah, so pretty much I'll just leave the video right here for you guys so you could see like what I did and all of that. So ever since then, I've been careful to like, I do have a girl that has gotten my hair once and I liked it, And she normally cuts my brother and my nephew's hair. So yes, I guess you could say she's like a hairstylist. See, it's like a little wavy right there. So pretty much the products I've used this like type of hair mask during that time when I was growing my hair, and now it's from the Shea Moisture brand. It's from the Jamaican black castor oil, and it's for straighten and restore conditioner. So it's a leave-in conditioner. So this is what I used right now, but what I used before, it was like actually like a little round container, and right there it was like a hair mask. So it's pretty much kind of like the same thing. So it softens, nourish natural, chemically processed or heat style hair. So I do straighten my hair a lot. I do. So that's why my hair gets damaged. I did stop straightening my hair for a while. I recently just started straightening it again. But like, it's not like as much as like when I was in high school and stuff. I was straightening it like every single day. But now it's just like a little, you know. So yeah, this is my natural hair. Nothing too special. My fiance actually likes my natural hair. I'm starting to love my natural hair as well. So yeah, the type of shampoo I use is the Head and Shoulder.
The shampoo I actually use is Herbal Essences. So here it is. So
it's a pomegranate one. So it's like a red bottle and it has the pomegranate on it. It says to like for longer hair, and I do feel like that's helping maintain my long hair and like a healthier looking longer hair. So yeah, because I do get compliments like every single time, like what I do to keep my hair like so healthy. But girl, my hair like straight out has like a lot of split ends. Like, I need a haircut now. I do plan on getting a haircut soon. So I'll probably like do a video about my haircut once I get a haircut. So yeah, pretty much that's all about my hair. There's nothing really special. Like, it's just like a semi-wavy hair. This is what I use all the time. Like, I put it on when I get out of the shower. I only put like 2 pumps, and then I also put it like the next day. I don't really use it like continuously, and I do always have my hair like up. When I'm at the house, I have it like on a ponytail, and I do always like have it at work. I do straighten my hair, but I always end up putting it up. So I don't know. I don't really style my hair. For me, it's more makeup than hair. So I don't know what else to tell you guys about my hair. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions regarding my hair or anything else, I do plan on doing a Q&A video soon. So if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'll link all my other hair videos down in the description below. I'll put the videos on the little eye as well. And yeah, that's it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I make videos, well, I upload every single week. Well, at least I'm trying to. And yeah, like, just don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment anything you want. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.